Hey guys, finally week 4. Let's get this last week of meal prep done. So this week I decided to make it a little simple. I am going to do smoothies as usual with the banana, apple, spinach, and a little cocoa powder, and of course the unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I'm going to use the cauliflower rice as a substitute for pasta because I'm making like this pasta-ish dish. So I have Italian ground turkey, I have some broccoli, mushrooms, trinity of vegetables that I chopped up for the previous week, some tomato paste, some tomato sauce. So yeah, let's get things started.
I wanna go fast. No need to slow down, no. We're on the right track. On our way down, yeah. Follow me through the sunset, where I forget my worries with you. Oh, I love how we connect. I confess a little bit obsessed with you. You're one of a kind. Need you on my side, all over my mind. You're my ride or die, so baby, you're one of a kind. Need you on my side, all over my mind. You're my ride or die, so baby, let's ride. So baby, let's ride. No need to turn back. All you need is right here, yeah. Let go of the past.
Hey
Ain't got
guys.
time for
Okay guys, let's get another look at the finished product.
follow me through the sunset.
Doesn't that look delicious? I just sprinkled some oregano on top, but the spinach looks so green, full of nutrients. The mushrooms look fabulous, and I had a lot of mushrooms left over, so I kind of sauteed some mushrooms just to add. But yeah, that's it. So this is the following morning. I was headed to work, so I just wanted to show you guys how easy it was to do my smoothie. I also added some super green protein to the smoothie mix, as well as the unsweetened cocoa, because I wanted a different taste. And you guys, it tastes just like a chocolate shake. Delish. Going forward, when preparing for my smoothies, I am going to cut my apples just a little bit smaller. I suggest you do that. It will be much easier to blend that way. But other than that, it was so delicious. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you later, Renovators.